Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our third paycheck in May and going over our last paycheck in May. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. And disclaimer, excuse my nails, I'm going through some things right now, so I will get those done as soon as possible. I think I'm going to let them breathe through the weekend. So for our paycheck from May the 17th through May the 23rd, in our expense category, we budgeted $367.67 for the phone bill, $83.88 for YouTube TV, $50.64 for our homeowner's warranty, $100 for med subscription, $70 for my husband's VA bill, and $1.99 for Google storage. In our actual category, we paid $367.67 on our phone bill, $83.88 on our YouTube TV, $50.64 on our homeowner's warranty, $100 on our med subscription, $70.78 on my husband's VA medical bill, which was an overage of 78 cents, and $1.99 on Google storage. That came up to $674.96, which was an overage of 78 cents. In our extras, we budgeted $400 for our extra payment and $100 for our backup funds. That came up to $500. And in our actual category, that's exactly what we put in, but that will be used for something else. We had a medical emergency. We had to rush to Texas, so we had to take this money to get a hotel and for gas. We have slowed down. Well, we'll discuss that at the end of the video. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, and $140 for our cash envelopes. That came up to a total of $1,245. In our actual category, we spent $465 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $65, $575 on our sinking funds, and $140 in our savings challenges. That came up to a total of $1,180, which was a difference of $65. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.54 minus the expenses of $674.18, minus the extras of $500, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, and minus the savings challenge of $140. That left a and minus the